The relationship between the US dollar and gold prices has a direct impact on your wealth, especially if you have an IRA or retirement savings. As the dollar strengthens, it tends to push gold prices down, but when the dollar weakens, gold prices often rise. But why does this matter to you, particularly if you're looking at protecting and growing your retirement savings? Well, by understanding this dynamic, you can make smarter decisions about where to park your wealth. If you're serious about securing your financial future and protecting your wealth, especially in today's uncertain economy, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their assets. This guide will show you why more people than ever are opening gold IRAs and why it might be the right move for you. Now, let's talk about how the US dollar impacts gold prices. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency, meaning it's in constant circulation globally. When the dollar is strong, it tends to make gold less attractive to investors since gold is priced in dollars. This is because a stronger dollar means your purchasing power increases, so investors may choose to hold cash or invest in other assets rather than gold. But here's the thing. When the dollar weakens, it pushes gold prices up. Why? Investors look for safe haven assets like gold to protect themselves from inflation and the eroding value of the dollar. And if you've been paying attention to the economic trends recently, you might have noticed that inflation is a growing concern, with the dollar losing some of its purchasing power. That's exactly where gold shines. It's a hedge against inflation and a way to preserve the value of your wealth over time. But here's the kicker. Even as the US dollar fluctuates, your retirement savings might not be as protected as you think, especially if they're solely in traditional IRAs or 401ks. These accounts are often tied to the market, meaning they're affected by market volatility. This is where gold IRAs come in as a unique option. By holding gold in an IRA, you're not relying solely on the dollar or stock market to maintain the value of your retirement funds. Gold acts as a stable store of value, making it the perfect asset for those looking to secure their wealth long term. Now, you might be wondering, but aren't there other ways to protect my wealth? Sure, other assets like stocks, bonds, or even real estate may seem appealing, but they come with their own risks. When the dollar weakens, stocks can be hit hard, and real estate markets can be unpredictable. Gold, however, has shown a consistent ability to retain value, especially when the dollar is under pressure. If you want a way to protect your IRA from the fluctuations of the dollar, gold is a no-brainer. If you're thinking about this for your own financial strategy, it's essential to take action sooner rather than later. We're seeing signs that inflation and market volatility could continue, making gold an even more attractive asset for your retirement portfolio. If you've got $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, it's time to consider how gold IRAs could provide that added layer of protection. So before you make any decisions, I strongly recommend getting the free gold IRA guide linked below. It's perfect for American retirees who want to ensure their wealth stays secure in the face of a fluctuating dollar. This guide walks you through everything you need to know to start protecting your retirement today. As we wrap up, remember that understanding how the US dollar affects gold prices is just one part of the puzzle. Gold IRAs give you a powerful tool to fight against inflation and economic instability, helping you preserve the value of your retirement funds no matter what happens to the dollar. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, go ahead and click the link in the description for that free gold IRA guide. It could be the best decision you make for your retirement.